Good day, everyone. Learn how to protect your PC from virus without any antivirus. This tutorial will be very handy for those who do not want to install any third-party software in their computer. So this will be a very handy guide. So please make sure you watch the whole tutorial and whole video. And if you hit the like and subscribe, if you think this tutorial is helpful, I'll be glad. So here at the top right corner, the bottom right corner where you have the shield icon, just click on that and you will have a Windows security like this. Now you need to check the first one which says virus and threat protection. Firstly, all should have the green check mark in it, and we will go with the first one, which is very important. We'll just do a double click, and you need to see when was the last scan. Was it a quick or was it a complete scan? And if the scan has not been done, you can do a quick scan. You can also get scan options if you have time. If you can leave your computer for an hour or so, you can go with the full scan. That will be good. Once you're done with this, let the scan happen. One more very important setting which you should never miss in Windows security, which is app and browser control. Smart app control enhanced protection from untrusted apps. So for most of the users get infected with infected apps, untrusted apps. So this smart app control will really help you, and you can turn it on only once, and if you turn it off, you need to reset to turn on again. I mean, you need to reset the whole computer if you turn off. So you can leave, turn it on, and if smart app control is off, it can be turned on it can't be turned on without reinstalling Windows. So you need to do this, and once you're done with this, come here in the under virus and threat protection and look for the security intelligence is up to date or not. If it's not, click on protection updates and go for check for updates. So virus and virus definitions are important, and it should always at least update the security intelligence. All right. And once you're done with this, do a right click, go to run and type MRT and hit enter. This will open Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. You will see the screen on your computer that says Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. Welcome to the Microsoft. So you can simply click on next and you can do a quick or full scan. Full scan is recommended, but if you do not have time, you can at least go for the quick scan and later on you can do the full scan. It should not take more than 2 to 3 minutes to do the full scan. And once this is done, it will remove the virus if there is. It will also show you if any files are infected. And once this is done, you need to restart the computer. Okay. So you don't have to make any changes. Always be cautious while installing anything, while browsing any unknown sites. Please be aware what exactly you are accepting, opening email and attachments. Just make sure you are aware of things. All right. So, and one more bonus tip is to update the Windows. It is really very important to update Windows if you really want to protect your computer from viruses. So you need to do a right click in your start icon if you're using Windows 11 and go to settings and go to Windows Update. It is a must thing to do because all the bugs, all the things are get repaired. Engineers work very hard to give you these updates. So you should always check for updates, the Windows update, and restart the computer. All right. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and do share this tutorial with your loved ones, family, and friends, and protect their PC as well. Have a wonderful day. I'll be waiting for your comments and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.